Hello friends, welcome back to my channel AutoCAD Drawings. So let's start learning 2D drawing, and before that I want to say one thing. For the laptop users who are using the AutoCAD on laptop, so you must definitely have a mouse because you can't use your touchpad for drawing AutoCAD in a comfort way. So better have a mouse for you. And first thing you line, click on line and should specify the first point, and you can see here that the line is coming exactly in horizontal, now in exactly in a vertical direction. Sometimes doesn't happen, that means your ortho mode is turned off. See, now its line is going in all in three directions. So for turning off it, please click on F8, and at the bottom you can see that ortho mode on, and enter the distance 10. That's all friends with the line command. Next, coming to the polyline, click on polyline and enter the click on the specify point and enter the distance 10, and again 10, and again 10 entering. So what the difference between the line and polyline is, I'm selecting the line which I drawn the line through line command. So only this line was being selected, and next I'm selecting the line which I am drawn through polyline command. See, all three lines are selected. So this is the difference between them. And next, circle. For circle you need to specify the center point of the circle and enter the radius now 5. I'm entering 5, and you can draw the circle in another way also by specifying the center, and the bottom you can see the diameter, and you should enter the diameter 10. See, both the same, right? That's all. And next, arc. In arc we have so many different types. Arc we will use at the user time comes, and I'm saying for initially 3 point. For this drawing you need to specify the 3 points for it, 1, 2 and 3. So this is the arc 3.1. and next, rectangle friends. So asking to specify the first corner. I'm here giving the specify the first corner, and bottom you can see two are there, area and dimensions. First I'm taking dimensions and I'm entering the length 20 and the width 5, and left click. So you can see that length means horizontal, width is vertical. And again I'm drawing the rectangle using the area. So I'm giving the area 100 units, and you should enter length or the width, anything. So I'm giving the length and the distance is 20. That's all. So automatically the width 5 it will calculate and it will execute. And next I'm clicking on line once, wait, line. So you can see this green color one on the screen at the edges. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint, and here this is this point, and this is center. So for intersection, for you, for visibility means when you want to draw a line here to here, this green color should come, means it should indicate this end point for you, this vertex. So for those, click on OS and go to the object snap and click on select all and OK. So you can see the end point, the midpoint, and the center, and wherever you want. That's a tangent. So this is the user of snap. And when you want to draw a line with certain angle, so let's learn about it. Click on the first point and take angle symbol. That's the symbol, is nothing but angle symbol, and enter 60 degrees. If you need 60, enter 60. So you can see that the line is having 60 degrees, with the horizontal. The angle 60 is with this horizontal. That means in AutoCAD while entering the angles, it will take in anti-clockwise. So these are the ones. And next, ellipse. Ellipse, enter the center and give the radius in horizontal direction 10 and vertical direction 5. This is the ellipse. The hatch, most of this hatch command will be used by engineers to specify the sections to specify a certain material. So here I am using concrete used by civil engineers. So click on it, you can't see the concrete, right? So distance between them is very small, so you need to increase it. Oh, I'm decreasing it, right? I'm increasing it. I drawn very small diagram, so it's take more. Sure, I'm sorry. What happened to it? Oh, it became very big. 100 is even 100 is more. 5. Sorry, friends, what happened to it? Hatch. Gravel, take gravel. Click on it. Decrease this distance. So you can see the gravel. These are the used for the section purpose. And coming to the text dimension. If you want to know the dimension and you want to specify the dimension, so click on it. 2 inches. You can see it's 20. If you want to take angled length, aligned means here in this type of lines, click here and click on it so you can see the distance. And if you want to know the angles between them, click on angular. 60 degrees. And if you want to know the radius of a circle, specifying the radius of a circle 5. These are the uses of a dimension and text. If you want to name it as circle, so you have to click first corner and you want to enter the height. Enter txt text, enter the point and enter the distance, how much you need. I'm giving 3 units and enter the 0 degrees rotation and I'm naming it circle. You want to name here as an ellipse, click on here and in the same. Ellipse, rectangle, triangle, that way you can see and click enter. So like the text command was executed. So these are the friends. In the next video I'm starting telling you drawing of few figures, not in this way. So those are the figures, these are those figures, these are the 30 figures. It's really nice when I'm drawing these. So please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notifications whenever I uploaded a video to notify you, and share this video to your friends who want to learn AutoCAD. Thank you, friends.
Please subscribe and share my channel.
Bye.